So hello everyone, today we are going to see URDF files. So basically currently I am dealing with 6 degree of freedom robotic manipulators. So I will show you a 6 degree of freedom robotic manipulator that I have created. So this is the launch file for that, and ROS2WH is my workspace. So I have simulated the robot in RViz. So you can see that this is my 6-axis robot. So for creating these robots in ROS2, you have to create some Zacro files like URDF and Zacro files. Now I will show you the joints. So you can see that there are 6 joints: J1, J2, J3, J4, J5 and J6. So as you can see, this is a joint state publisher GUI. I am using this to explain where are the joints. So this is the first joint, which is rotating complete 360 degree. Then this is the second joint. This is -90 and +90. This is the third joint, -90 +90. Then this is my fourth joint. This is also -90 and +90. Now coming to the fifth joint, so that is complete rotation for now, and this last one is my end effector. As you can see, now it will rotate like this. This is also a complete rotation for end effector. So currently for the demonstration purpose I have created this file. Like, I have not taken into account the kinematics and dynamics of these robots. This is just a basic tutorial of how to make a URDF file. So if I show you the codes, so these are the codes you have to write. So you have to create a launch file for that, and this is the main urdf.zacro files. All the joints, limits, everything is described here, and that's all. These two files are main, like, to simulate a robot in RViz. So in the next video I am going to explain the whole URDF file, and I will also give you that code. Thank you for